Hello friends, welcome to Easy Homemade Projects. In today's video, I will show you how to make a powerful electronic press machine at home. This video is sponsored by Pcb. They are the largest PCB manufacturers in China with more than 200,000 customers worldwide and 8,000 plus online orders per day. They support different payment and shipping methods. They provide 10 pieces of 10 by 10 cm professional quality PCB boards within $2 only. To order your PCB, just go to their website and upload your Gerber files here. After uploading your Gerber files, you can change some PCB parameters from here, and after that you can place your order here. At the time of your first order, you can avail a special discount offer. During the manufacturing process of your PCB, they continuously update manufacturing status. So guys, our circuit boards from Pcb for today's project are finally here. Let me open them and show you. As you can see, the build quality is perfect as always. To assemble this circuit, we will need 2 limit switches, 3 terminal blocks, 3 1 kilo ohm resistors and 3 LEDs. So guys, our circuit is now complete. Now it's time to make physical structure of our project. To make the frame, we will need some thick pieces of wood. You can find the dimensions of these pieces in video description. Here are some long wood screws. And this is the main part of our project. It is a 12-volt linear actuator. So guys, our project is ready now. I am connecting my 12-volt DC power supply here, which already has a current limiting function. But if you are using a lead acid battery, then connect a series load here to prevent actuator motor from burning due to overcurrent. So guys, that's it for today's video. All necessary information about this project you can find in the video description. I hope you will like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.